English yun ni tungkol ya pa rin keng kapat a fundamental operation ng numero in division. Ngeni, makaadyata ng mag-divide kareng numerong 1 hanggang 10. King mayari English yun ni ika asahan na may pakit siya in division kareng numerong 2, 3, 4, 5 at 10. Multiplication 2, 3, 4, 5 at 10. Subukin. Bayo ka magumpisa keng lesyon ni, subukan mong sagutan ding makatuking kutang. Kung asagot mo langan ding bilang aus 2 o 100%, malyari mo na yung laktawan in module ni. Pero kung sakali ding mali mo 50% to 99%, kailangan mong panigaralan at sagutang masalese in module ni. Isulat siya in quotient. A. 10 divided by 5 equals 10 divided by 5 equals 2 ka 2. B. 18 divided by 2 equals 18 divided by 2 equals 2 kagaling mo 9. C. 70 divided by 10 equals 70 divided by 10 equals 2 ka 7. D. 21 divided by 3 equals 21 divided by 3 equals 2 ka 7. E. 24 divided by 4 equals 24 divided by 4 equals kagaling mo 6. English yun tamo, yapin ngayong pamagpakit king division kareng numerong 2, 3, 4, 5 at 10. Multiplication table 2, 3, 4, 5 at 10. English yun ni abadume kung makananuya in pamagpakit king division kareng numerong 2, 3, 4, 5 at 10. Balikan. Isulat siya in ustong division sentence. Bilang 1, lawengeng litrato, nanuya ing sagot. 2 usto ka. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Bilang 2, lawengeng litrato, nanuya ing sagot. 2 kagaling mo. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Bilang 3, lawengeng number line, nanuya ing sagot. Usto ka. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Bilang 4, lawengeng ing bilang, nanuya ing sagot. Usto ka. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Bilang 5, lawengeng ing bilang, nanuya ing sagot. Kagaling mo. 30 divided by 10 equals 3. Tuklasin. Mayap aabak. Bayo tayo umpisan in disyonay ni atin kamong matilan akutang. Nano ing paborito mong prutas? Mamangan ka bang saging? Pilan saging ing kakanan mo king kilog ning parumingo. Basa niyang sitwasyon. I-Adam atin niyang apulong asaging. Pamyenala kareng 5 ng kaluguran. Tsapilan lang saging, din kayang kaluguran. I-Adam atin niyang apulong saging, pamyenala kareng 5 ng kaluguran, tsapilan lang saging, din kayang kaluguran. Letrang A. Pilan lareng kaluguran ng Adam. Pilan lareng kaluguran ng Adam. Usuka 5. Tsapilan ng saging ding kaluguran ng Adam. Tsapilan ng saging ding kaluguran ng Adam. Kagaling mo 2. Pilan langan ding saging. Pilan langan ding saging. Usto ka 10. Nanuya in multiplication sentence. Nanuya in multiplication sentence. Kagaling mo. 5 times 2 equals 10. Letter B. Pilan langan ding saging. Pilan langan ding saging. Gusto ka. 10. Pilanla ren kaluguran ng adam. Pilanla ren kaluguran ng adam. Kagaling mo. 5. Tsapilan ng saging den kaluguran ng adam. Tsapilan ng saging den kaluguran ng adam. Gusto ka. 2. Nanuya in division sentence. Nanuya in division sentence. Kagaling mo. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Suriin. Panigaralan tayo, inputang at sagutan tayo. A. Pilanla ren kaluguran ng adam. 5. Tsapilan ng saging ding kaluguran ng adam. 2. Pilanlangan ding saging. 10. Nanuya in multiplication sentence. 5 times 2 equals 10. Letrang B. Pilanlangan ding saging. 10. Pilanla ren kaluguran ng adam. 5. Tsapilan ng saging ding kaluguran ng adam. 2. Nanuya in division sentence. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Nano ing apansin mo keng multiplication sentence at division sentence. Lawen tayo. Multiplication sentence, 5 times 2 equals 10. Division sentence, 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Panigaralan niya pa ing metong pang alimbawa. Pilanlang grupo deng bola. 4. Tsapilan ng bola deng balang grupo. 3. Pilanlangan ding bola. 12. Nanuya in multiplication sentence. 4 times 3 equals 12. Letrang C. Pilanlangan ding bola. 12. Pilanlang grupo deng bola. 4. Tsapilan ng bola deng balang grupo. 3. Nanuya in division sentence. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Nanuya in multiplication sentence at division sentence. Lawen tayo. Multiplication sentence, 4 times 3 equals 12. Division sentence, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Papakit na in division, kabaligtaran ng multiplication. Kaya importanteng balume in multiplication para masagli ang sagutan in division. Madidivide siya in numero na akakit siya in multiplication table 2, 3, 4, 5, at 10. In product, in maging dividend. In multiplier, in maging divisor. In multiplicand, in maging quotient. Multiplier, 3 times 4 multiplicand equals 12 product. 12 dividend times 3 divisor equals 4 quotient. Panigaralan da ng makatuking alimbawa. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 6 times 7 equals 42. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. 3 times 6 equals 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 4 times 8 equals 32. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 2 times 9 equals 18. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 5 times 6 equals 30. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Panigaralan niya in division table. Lawen niya. Pagyamanin, gabay na gawain 1, isulat siya in quotient. Bilang 1, 70 divided by 10 equals 70 divided by 10 equals gusto ka 7. Bilang 2, 45 divided by 5 equals 45 divided by 5 equals kagaling mo 9. Bilang 3, 12 divided by 4 equals 12 divided by 4 equals Uwa gusto ka? 3. Bilang 4. 30 divided by 3 equals 30 divided by 3 equals Uwa gusto ka? 10. Bilang 5. 8 divided by 2 equals 8 divided by 2 equals Uwa, kagaling mo. 4. Malayang gawain 1. Isulat siya ing mawawalang numero. Bilang 1, lawenye ing bilang nanuya ing mawawala. Uwa, gusto ka. 10. Bilang 2, lawenye ing bilang nanuya ing mawawala. Uwa, kagaling mo. 28. Bilang 3, nanuya ing sagot. Uwa, gusto ka. 4. Bilang 4, nanuya ing sagot. Uwa, gusto ka. 5. Bilang 5, lawenye ing bilang nanuya ing mawawala. Uwa, kagaling mo. 20. Kayahin 1. Pilinan niya ing gustong sagot at kulayan niyang maluto. Bilang 1, 32 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4 equals 8 or 4. Uwa, gusto ka. 8. Bilang 2. 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 equals 7 or 5. Uwa, kagaling mo. 7. Bilang 3. 90 divided by 10. 90 divided by 10 equals 9 or 8. Uwa, gusto ka. 9. Bilang 4. 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 4 or 3. Uwa, gusto ka. 3. Bilang 5. 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4 equals 2 or 6. Uwa, kagaling mo. 6. Gabay na gawain 2. Isulat siya in gustong quotient. Bilang 1, 40 divided by 5 equals 40 divided by 5 equals Uwa, gusto ka. 8. Bilang 2, 8 divided by 2 equals 8 divided by 2 equals Uwa, kagaling mo. 4. Bilang 3. 18 divided by 3 equals 18 divided by 3 equals Uwa, gusto ka. 6. Bilang 4. 60 divided by 10 equals 60 divided by 10 equals Uwa, gusto ka. 6. Bilang 5. 28 divided by 4 equals 28 divided by 4 equals Uwa, kagaling mo. 7. Malayang gawain 2. Pantunan imustong pakibat a numero king kawun kulayan na rin numero base keng kuli. Bilang 1. 16 divided by 4 equals 16 divided by 4 equals kulayan nining birdie. Uwa, gusto ka. 4. Bilang 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 10 divided by 2 equals kulayan nining dilo. Uwa, kagaling mo. 5. Bilang 3. 30 divided by 10 equals 30 divided by 10 equals kulayan nining maluto. Uwa, gusto ka. 3. Bilang 4. 36 divided by 4 equals 36 divided by 4 equals kulayan nining asul. Uwa, gusto ka. 9. Bilang 5. 50 divided by 5 equals 50 divided by 5 equals kulayan nining dalandan. Uwa, kagaling mo. 10. Kayahin 2. Bilugan niya ing gustong sagot. Bilang 1, 35 divided by 5 equals 35 divided by 5 equals A5, B6, C7, D8. Gusto ka. C7. Bilang 2. 24 divided by 4 equals 24 divided by 4 equals A6, B8, C9, D7. Kagaling mo. A6. Bilang 3. 70 divided by 10 equals 70 divided by 10 equals A10, B9, C8, D7. Gusto ka. D7. Bilang 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 12 divided by 4 equals A2, B3, C4, D5. Gusto ka. B3. Bilang 5. 9 divided by 3 equals 9 divided by 3 equals A1, B2, C3, D4. Kagaling mo. C3. Gabay na gawain 3. Isulat siya in quotient. Bilang 1, 24 divided by 3 equals 24 divided by 3 equals gusto ka. 8. Bilang 2, 30 divided by 5 equals 30 divided by 5 equals gusto ka. 6. Bilang 3, 36 divided by 4 equals 36 divided by 4 equals kagaling mo. 9. Bilang 4, 15 divided by 5 equals 15 divided by 5 equals gusto ka. 3. Bilang 5, 60 divided by 10 equals 60 divided by 10 equals kagaling mo. 6. Malayang gawain 3. Isulat siya in mawawalang numero. Bilang 1, lawen niya yung numero na nuya ing mawawala. Gusto ka. 3. Bilang 2, lawen niya yung numero na nuya ing sagot. Kagaling mo. 8. Bilang 3, lawen niya yung numero na nuya ing mawawalang bilang. Gusto ka. 4. Bilang 4, lawen niya yung numero na nuya ing mawawalang bilang. Gusto ka. 20. Bilang 5, 100 divided by 10 equals 100 divided by 10 equals kagaling mo. 10. Payahin 3. Bilugan niya yung gustong sagot. Bilang 1, 36 divided by 4 equals 36 divided by 4 equals 6, 7, 8, 9. Gusto ka. 9. Bilang 2, 15 divided by 5 equals 15 divided by 5 equals 4, 3, 2, 1. Kagaling mo. 3. Bilang 3, 14 divided by 2 equals 14 divided by 2 equals 4, 5, 6, 7. Gusto ka. 7. Bilang 4, 80 divided by 10 equals 80 divided by 10 equals 9, 8, 7, 6. Gusto ka. 8. Bilang 5, 18 divided by 3 equals 18 divided by 3 equals 6, 7, 8, 9. Kagaling mo. 6. sa isip, makananuyang apakit in division kareng numero a bilang 2, 3, 4, 5 at 10. Mayayakit siya in division kareng numerong 2, 3, 4, 5 at 10 king multiplication table 2, 3, 4, 5 at 10. Madidivide siya in numero na akakit siya in multiplication table 2, 3, 4, 5 at 10. In product, in maging dividend. In multiplier, in maging divisor. In multiplicand, in maging quotient. Isagawa. Basa niyang masalese in sitwasyon at sagutan niyo. Megluto yang apulong mayis iindang mina para kareng 5 ng anak. Pipay chanala ding niluto ng mayis kareng anak no. Chapilan na kaya mayis ding bawat anak ng indang mina. Megluto yang apulong mayis iindang mina para kareng 5 ng anak. Pipar chanala ding niluto ng mayis kareng anak no. Chapilan na kayang mayis ding bawat anak ng indang mina. Nanuya ing sagot. Uwak kagaling mo, tig adwalang mais. Payahin, itapat siya ing column A kareng pakibat king column B. Isulat siya ing letra king gulis. Bilang 1, 24 divided by 3 equals 24 divided by 3 equals uwa ustuka. B, 8. Bilang 2, 25 divided by 5 equals 25 divided by 5 equals uwa kagaling mo. D, 5. Bilang 3, 90 divided by 10 equals 90 divided by 10 equals uwa ustuka. E, 9. Bilang 4, 12 divided by 2 equals 12 divided by 2 equals uwa ustuka. C, 6. Bilang 5, 16 divided by 4 equals 16 divided by 4 equals uwak kagaling mo. A, 4. Isulat siya in quotient. Bilang 1, 70 divided by 10 equals 70 divided by 10 equals uwak ustuka. 7. Bilang 2, 45 divided by 5 equals 45 divided by 5 equals uwa ustuka. 9. Bilang 3, 21 divided by 3 equals 21 divided by 3 equals uwa kagaling mo. 7. Bilang 4, 16 divided by 2 equals 16 divided by 2 equals uwa ustuka. 8. Bilang 5, 20 divided by 4 equals 20 divided by 4 equals uwa kagaling mo. 5. Karagdagang gawain. Isulat siya in ustong sagot. Bilang 1, ating patlang tsa adwa king 18. Ating patlang tsa adwa king 18. Uwa ustuka. 9. Bilang 2, pilan lang tsa apat king 12. Pilan lang tsa apat king 12. Uwa kagaling mo. 3. Bilang 3, ing 20 atinyang patlang tsa apulo. Ing 20 atinyang patlang tsa apulo. Uwa ustuka. Adwa. Bilang 4, ing 36 atinyang patlang tsa 6. Ing 36 atinyang patlang tsa 6. Uwa ustuka. 6. Bilang 5, pilan tsa 5 ing 45. Pilan tsa 5 ing 45. Uwa kagaling mo. 9. Isulat siya in quotient. Bilang 1, 20 divided by 5 equals 20 divided by 5 equals Uwa gusto ka. 4. Bilang 2, 18 divided by 2 equals 18 divided by 2 equals uwa gusto ka. 9. Bilang 3, 16 divided by 4 equals 16 divided by 4 equals uwa kagaling mo. 4. Bilang 4, 21 divided by 3 equals 21 divided by 3 equals uwa gusto ka. 7. Bilang 5, 60 divided by 10 equals 60 divided by 10 equals uwa kagaling mo. 6. Hanggang mo, Kenny. Salamat!